If you really want to make money nowadays, AI is the most powerful and most easiest thing nowadays. So in AI, the video making ways using AI is the most popular thing also nowadays. So I'm going to show you how you can make videos with just one click using software. So in the display, you can see the software named MaxFlow. Here you can just put your story and make a video just like one click. So now I'm going to show you the whole process in this video. And trust me, this is going to be really easy to create a video using AI. First of all, we need a story to generate the video. Story means a concept. So you need a concept to generate the video. So first of all, I'm going to go to the AI like chatgpt.com, or you can use Gemini, Gemini or Cloud, whatever you want. But for now, I'm going to use ChatGPT. Let's say I'm going to make a concept like make a voice. Sorry. Okay. I'm just copy this whole voiceover story, and I'm going to paste it here. Control V. Okay. Now I'm going to give a like. We don't need to give any title. It is automatically get the title. So use the Maxwell 2.0, and the genre is like historical, right? It should be historical. Okay, historical, and I'm gonna choose realistic. Okay, then nothing else. The timing it will automatically detect from the script. So I'll choose the voiceover option, and language United States. Okay. Let me generate. Before that, I'm gonna select the API. For now, I'm using Gemini, which is provided by Max API. So I'm selected this and click on Generate Advanced Project and the summary of the project and start generation. Okay. Now it will take few minutes, a couple of minutes to generate the whole story to scenes. Here you can see the progress, or also there is the progress here. So we'll come back when it's generated after like a couple of minutes. Okay, see you there. So finally, our scene is generated completely. Here you can see 22 scenes. So I'm gonna click this one and see what it generated. Like you can see all the scene list here. Scene 1 description, scene 2 description, scene 3 description, 4, 5, like 22. All the scene description is here. You can like jump through the previous or next button. So here is the way. Now you can do this automatically, or you can use your flow account to generate manually. So if you want to do this automatically to generate the video, here you just need to click the build button here, build, and click on this button, and it will show some options here like use credit or account and orientation, landscape or portrait, and the AI model. So let me keep the current setting and click on start build. Okay, I'll choose one because sometimes Google will not allow you to do multiple one. So I'll keep one and start build. Okay, choose 3 then. 3 and start build. So it's going to start the build process, and it will generate the complete video for us. Trust me, it is going to be the really easiest method to create AI video with just a couple of clicks. You know, just input your story, and then it will take a couple of minutes to generate the scene, and then click on build, and it is going to build the whole video for you automatically, and it will take like 2 to 3 minutes or maybe 5 minutes to generate. So let me wait till then. We'll come back after the scene generated. So finally, our video generation is completed. Here you can see we had 22 scenes total. Now they are completed. So let me play all of them and see what it generated.
In the early morning haze of 1939, as the world stood on the edge of uncertainty.
Here, this is showing the scene one by one. This is not the final video. Let me clarify this. It is just showing you videos one by one, and later you can process the full video by clicking this process video here, and then start process, and the whole scene will be one video by merging them up. By merging all of them. So for now we are just seeing one by one. So let me play one by one, or we can play directly from here, play video. It will automatically play one by one like a playlist. But I'm not gonna play the whole video, so I'm gonna check a few scenes. Scene one, we have already seen that. Watch the scene two. It's like old historical footage.
This is the story of those who lived through the storm.
Sometimes VEO3 can give you the voice mismatch, so you can regenerate that video by clicking this button. This you can see this regenerate button. By clicking this, you can directly retry, and it will regenerate, and you can see the male voice again. So let me play scene 4.
The first shots of World War II echoed across Europe, carried by the rumble of tanks rolling into Poland. The first
Scene 4, scene 5.
civilizations trembled as alliances formed and the world plunged into chaos. Cities burned, families fled. Civilizations
Okay, scene 6. You can enjoy the whole video when you play them together one by one. When you play that, you don't understand the context, so I don't understand the video context and the main summary. So this is just a trial. So now you can click on process. We can click on process video, and we can just turn off this one and fade. This is fading for the audio. You can ignore it. You can like it, make it 0. But I just added this and click on start process. Now let's see what it does for us. Here the video is processing. After process, we can open the folder. It takes like around 30 seconds. It's almost finished. Let me check this by clicking open folder. Okay, the folder is opened. Here all our scenes, and click on the processed, and let me play the full video.
In the early morning haze of 1939, as the world stood on the edge of uncertainty,
This is the story of those who lived through the storm.
the first shots of World War II echoed across Europe, carried by the rumble of tanks rolling into Poland. Civilizations trembled as alliances formed and the world plunged into chaos. Cities burned, families fled.
This is the way you can generate videos. This is just a one sample for historical videos, but you can choose. There are a lot of options here. You can choose cinematic, cinematic, realistic, IMAX, and all the vintage and Disney style, Pixar style, 3D, 2D. All the options are here. You can also select the genre here, horror, animation, whatever you like, and you just put your story here and select those options and click on generate advanced project. It will generate the project. And if you don't like to select all these options, you just need to put your story here and just click on generate project. It will automatically like do all these things. Here are a few samples. You can, if you would like to choose, you can use the sample here. Just click and click on generate advanced. It will automatically generate. So this is the way you can just generate videos using Maxflow, and this is really easy step and easy, very easy. Like there are no more easy step like this. Just a couple of clicks and you got the video. You can see, and you can manage all of your videos here on, or if you like to process your video, like edit videos using your own CapCut or Wondershare or Adobe After Effects, whatever, you can just open the folder and then you just choose your footage from here and just drag and drop in your personal editor. Then you can edit it, or you can just use the Maxflow to process the whole video for you. You have both options. You can choose whichever you like. So by uploading these videos in YouTube today, what I mean is, like, nowadays it is really trending topic. AI videos are getting millions and thousands of views. You can upload your video on the channel by creating new channel, or if you have existing channel, you can upload those videos and you can earn easy money. And before create one YouTube video took too much time and ideas, cameras, instruments. There were many things needed, but nowadays AI made this job very easy. So you can generate videos by just putting a concept or a story. Basically, the concept. You can generate the whole story by using AI, but you just provide the concept, and AI will do every job for you. So this is the how to use our Maxflow software. So you can like use it here. So see you on next video.